Because every coffee roasting has a profile. This profile we transfer them now to the bigger machine. Because filter coffee is different from espresso coffee. So once you get the coffee, there are different grades. You have like you have a grade and a skin. We have like an AB, you have an AA. We have different types, and we have the information of the wet mill. Wet mill in this means the factory that produced that coffee, that was that coffee. Then you know exactly where you can trace this coffee back. So for every coffee, before we contract anything, we have to get some samples of it, and then we roast. We roast the sample. We cup it. If we like it, then we take this coffee, and then from there we are able. If you don't like it, I don't want it. Okay. Let me bring you something more.
So this one is from Yetitu.
Washed, copy of the year 23, sample reference, mug, Getitu.
So Getitu is where you got it from?
This is from Getitu. We have this one is from Rwanda. I have this one is Buroto. Buroto is actually where my mother takes her coffee to. This is Buroto, you know. And you see, because of traceability purposes, I get the information of how many bags of that coffee are available. That means if I like this coffee and I want 200 bags, they cannot say they have 200 bags because they only have 130. So you can only either buy 130 or less than 130. That's what we. That's why if you check my system, it shows traceability because we only do with single origin coffees. We don't blend coffees. We just buy specifically for each and every particular product. Like these are the paperwork that you get from the custom offices. You know, this is just now for our. This is the samples, the value. You have to have this originates from Kenya. You have to know the value of the sample. That's why there are coffee samples of 500 grams each. You have to have this information, and it's also a commercial value invoice, and then it gets sent to me, and from there I can roast and see what I prefer to use. And then I do now the contract. I can say, okay, I'll take this 50, I'll take 20, I'll take 20, I'll take this 100. Then because a container takes like 320 bags, so you can choose from different ones. So we're gonna roast a sample, so I can show you how to roast. We're gonna wait a little bit for it to heat up a bit. In the meantime, we'll wait that.
Nduruto.
Nduruto, yes. Nduruto is a village near Chania.
And both of them are Nduruto.
Yeah, this one is Guama. I have several of them. I just give you like update on them.
So different farmers send you different.
Yeah, we work with different farmers. We have 11,500 farmers working for us. But a wet mill means, you see, the law in Kenya is like for every 5 kilometer radius, you have a wet mill where coffee is bearbeited. You know where it's processed. Okonyora, you know it has to be bearbeited. Another 5 kilometers, you have another one. It's a different. So the way people from Hilda, say for example, Hilda wet mill produces your coffee is different from how you do when if it's 5 kilometers, because maybe you guys take care of your coffee, maybe you guys don't plant potatoes inside, and she plants even maize inside. This coffee will be different. How you guys take care of coffee by washing, if you wash it properly, and they kuhunyerera, they just put here and go, it will taste different. Those things make a lot of difference. Okay, those kind of things make a lot of difference.
That is, you know, when you say, I had my quality.
Yes. That's why we test a lot of different coffees. Yeah, but I don't want to test that. I want to test Buroto for you. Yes. No, they're just samples. We have a lot of them here, so it's not a big problem. Yeah, my office is full of them. Detail, You see, like every week, especially during the coffee season, we receive a lot of samples. They
want to.
Because we have to sell, and we have to decide, because we also sell them out to other roasters. As we sell roasted coffee, we not only sell roasted coffee, we sell as well green coffee to other roasters.
Okay. So after testing and found it's nice.
So this is 200 grams. We normally put it there. Yes, we have now reached one. You know? Yes, and I have opened this. I see already, and it's inside. Okay. So now we start also. You can come and see this side.
So inside is happening.
It's happening already.
Yeah. And that will take like how long?
It depends. I can
Till
tell.
it gets chopped.
Well, I'll show you the process. We can do 5 minutes, we can do 10 minutes. I'll
it's
show you as we
according to that.
continue. Yeah. And then
The longer you do it,
the more darker intensity it becomes. But then this is like our chart. The longer you roast, the more you lose your aromas.
Yeah.
Like for filter coffees, we try and stay here.
Yeah.
You know, we try and stay here by the fruits.
Yeah.
We don't lose the fruits, the note. For espressos, we come this side because an espresso needs to be a bit darker. Yeah. Then you're coming like the nut, like you have aromas of nuts and cocoa and caramel. But for filter coffees, we always try and stay in this area. You know, this is all filter coffee. Yeah. And then this shot is where we now try and do the espresso. Yeah.
The smell is disappearing there.
Yeah, to go out.
Oh, the smell is nice to bring customers.
Yes, we do that.
The smell
And now
must
you
be
check
nice.
some that you can try.
Now we know I think I used to think, the roast is differently. No, not differently, but it is not the same green ones. It is another coffee. But it
You
is the
can take
same.
the
It is
same.
only the intensity
do the same.
of the roasting.
How long you roast it, like the Ethiopian, how they roast it when you're there. Yes, until it gets to those colors.
So that's how it starts, yeah? With green, yeah? And then you'll see the process as we go along.
I'm just imagining it's like here inside is hot
It's really hot actually.
and
It's
then
already 94 degrees
94, so
inside.
it's touching.
So
this
by
one is
cupping,
black.
this is now cupping. We always make with a 14.
Yeah.
We always use 14.
So it was already done to compare.
Yeah, because that is what once you roast, you always have to cup. Cup is tasting.
Are you the one you are talking about?
Yeah, the cupping is the tasting of the coffee. To see how that coffee actually tastes. This I will teach you in a minute. Because without cupping, the roasting is one part, but to know the coffee is by cupping.
So the customer can say by cupping, I want mine a
The
little
normal
bit more.
customers like you cannot do that. This is for roasters only.
Yeah, for
so that
roasters.
you can know which
Yeah.
kind of a roast you want the
Yeah.
coffee to be having.
Yeah. And you invite people to
Yeah,
do
we
the
do.
cupping.
We do cuppings here. We do cuppings. We do shulungen for coffee roasting. Like if you want to learn how to roast coffee, we do all those things. Yeah. Then we bring another stuff.
Good for what? For groups of companies, because people drink coffee, they have no idea where it
No
comes.
idea imetoka wapi and what.
Like now you are learning also.
Yeah.
You've never seen that. And I can feel the heat.
Yeah, I can feel it till here. It is about 118 degrees.
120.
Yeah.
So guys, you can always
So
have
this is the same. This is Kenya Abe. This is Kenya Abe, but now different type of roasting profiles. You get my point? They're different types. The same type of coffee, but with different profiles. Yeah. So we're gonna grind them. In fact, I will take this for you. Then you can see what I mean. Just to turn a bit. So I don't know if you can see now it's changing, yeah? It's starting to be a bit yellow.
Yeah.
So at this stage you can even smell. we
Can
have
smell
lost
it,
a
yes.
bit of water, the moisture content. We have lost a bit, you know, because when you roast coffee, you lose like 16 to 18% of the water. When we receive the coffee from Kenya, you have like 10.5 moisture content has to be there. If it's less than that, don't take that coffee. If it's more than that, it will get moist. So we have, that's why I meant processing is the key to the end of product. If the processing was not done properly, the coffee will be coffee. So now you can see. And at this point, I reduce the heat a bit. Okay? I'm going to reduce the heat a bit.
Yeah, the color is coming very fast now. You can see the color now.
It's changing completely.
Those colors.
Then this will be the package when you are finished with this.
Is it the time you can do cupping? I mean, I want to know when the cupping starts.
No, you do it when this finishes. You cannot do it before. Yeah. You see now, we have complete changing. Yeah.
Okay. Already 10 minutes, like already, that's a 10 minutes roast.
Yeah, that's a 10 minutes roast, so we'll come out like around 12.
The color is changing very fast.
Because most of the filter coffees we remove at 13 minutes. 13 minutes, 13.5. For espressos, we do up to 16 minutes, 15.5 because you go a bit longer.
Yeah.
Because you you have to go to what we call a second roast. You know, not a second roast, like you have second crack.
Yeah.
Filter coffee, you have somewhere to put that is one, but for espresso you go longer, you go a bit longer. Yeah.
Pamela, did you have to go for school for this one?
Yes, I went to the Hamburg School of Coffee. No, I did.
Yes.
I went to Hamburg School of Coffee. Yes.
I'm thinking you can't just wake up.
No. You cannot just wake up and start roasting coffee.
I know. Not like the Ethiopians, they just go.
Even there.
Okay, you can roast actually. I was roasting before. I could roast at home and drink that from the pan, you know. But to do it professionally, you have to go and learn how, because you are dealing with fire. Especially, you have to know what exactly you are doing. You cannot just wake up and start putting the things on and wherever. I can open this, I can dismantle this whole equipment and build it again. You have to learn that. Because you see, you are dealing with technical things. You cannot just wake up in the morning and start doing those things on your own.
Getting darker.
You see, we're getting darker, and we are now starting. You can even hear that crack. Yeah.
So
that's the first thing.
Yeah, that is we'll do for all cuppings. We always do a filter roasting.
Okay.
For all. Yeah. For cupping, you know, when you're cupping, that's what I was saying. If you roast it too dark, you will not get to know the qualities of that coffee. So once you do it as a filter and you taste it, then you can decide, okay, this coffee will be good for filter at this particular point, but if I go further and do an espresso, it will also be good, you know. So you see we have 193 already. We have 193. So we'll be coming out soon. Yeah, you can hear now. It's the clapping now. Now it's opening up. The pods are opening up. You can even see it's very, very different. So we'll be coming out by 200. So just a few minutes and then we're going to come out. Just smell it.
And it expands, eh?
Of course, it opens up the pods.
Yeah.
See?
The moisture is out.
The moisture is out, so it's opening up. We are by 203. We are going to come up by 208 because that's the proper filter. So I reduce the heat now. We are 206.5. 208 we stop, and then you put the fire off, you put the cooling, and then
immediately.
Then you just cool it now.
My brother, I just and then
You bring it with you.
the smell is of coffee.
Yeah.
But the wind is proper.
Yeah, because they are not like whatever.
And this no more
Cooling now.
cooling.
This is no more cooling now.
Nothing, no heat. nowhere, any cool air coming in.
Yeah, the day. That's what you have the day.
Ah, that's where the cooling air is coming through. Ah.
Can touch it now.
Hot.
Yeah, it's not hot anymore. It's cool.
That fast.
Yeah.
From
Let me
200.
wait a minute. You can touch now.
From 200.
It's cool very fast.
That was fast.
Yeah, that's what I was telling you.
From
And then you
200,
can
I'm like,
remove
I'm
it
not going to
now.
touch it.
The Ethiopian, the Somalis, they put milk, hot milk, cooking milk, and then they roast it.
Ah.
And then
is ready to
you
go.
eat it like that.
So a customer can come and say, I want it fresh, and then you do it here.
Yeah, we
once
can
and
roast for
done.
them fresh here, but we try not to do that because it's
Only
time
maybe
consuming.
only for people who are come for.
Yeah, specific orders. You
Yeah.
know, because if you roast for everyone fresh, it's a lot of work. Because you see, we are at the other main roastery. We do that every
For
2
people.
times in a week.
Yeah. Ah, okay.
Every 2 times in a week.
So they can do that one.
So,
It's just for you to taste.
so that's what we roasted.
Very good.
Now we're gonna prepare this.
Mm-hmm.
We can come and show you. Just come with me.
Okay. This is the coffee area where you can come and have a drink if you want to avoid your daughter. So we're going to the kitchen to test it. Ah, the grinding. That's a very powerful one, eh?
Yeah, it's an industrial one. So this is what we will cup now,
Mm-hmm.
and then you can see that you can try and taste the difference.
And here you put it in here after it's roasted. Jaribu usichukue mtoto, nenda backwards.
And that was
Oh. This is the one we just made. This is the one we cooked.
Yeah, I think so.
How was it still in there? Mama? Her needs to cool.
Yeah, maybe she had it already. Yeah, roasted. It's a little bit darker.